Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be talking on simplification. It's a problem I saw in one of the jam maths, and I said, okay, let me just put it through. In case you see a question like this again, what will you do? I said in one of the jam maths, but not this year actually, past year. Okay, we have 1 minus open bracket 2 whole number 1 over 3 times 1 whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 open close bracket plus 3 over 5. How will you solve this? When you see a question like this, what comes to your mind first is what? It's Bodmas. Bodmas. Why? Because if you look at it, what comes to your mind first is Bodmas. The answer is Bodmas using Bodmas. Bodmas means set B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Do you understand that? So we are taking it gradually, step by step. Meaning that if you see B, you go to you solve B first. After solving B first, you ask yourself, is there O? Means is there off? Off, no off here. So is there division? D, division. After that means if you don't see off, you go to the next one. After that, is there division? Then you solve division if there is. But if there is no division, you go to ask yourself, is there multiplication? You solve there. Then is there addition? You solve before subtraction. Now let's take it bit by bit. Is there bracket? Of course there is bracket. We have bracket. Now we solve bracket first. Now we have our bracket says 2 whole number 1 over 3 times 1 whole number 1 over 4. We are multiplying. Before then we have to multiply. Before we multiply, let us change. This is what mixed fraction. We change the mixed fraction to what? Improper fraction. Now change it. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 over what? 3 times 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5. That is 5 over 4. We are done timesing. You can actually, okay, you are done timesing. Then what is the final answer of this? We have 7 times 5 is what? 35. 3 times 4 is 12. Now we are done with our brackets. Now the next thing we're going to do is what? Ask yourself, is there off? No off. Is there division? No. Is there multiplication? No. Because multiplication is in our brackets. We've done it already. Now is there addition? Yes. So we are going to what? Addition. This addition. So we have this plus this. Now we have what? The next step is what? The answer we've gotten from our bracket. We add it to what? 2 over 3 over 5. Now if you look at this, look at it very well. We find that we have plus, and if you have plus separating 2 fractions, you make use of what we call LCM. So let's use the LCM. The LCM of 12 and 5 is what? 60. So 12 will go in 60. How many times? 5 times. So 5 times 5 times what? 335 up plus 5 will go into 60. How many times? 12 times. Now 12 we times 12 we times 3. So what are we left with? The answer will now be 35 times 5 is what? Let's do it in a rough sketch. What is 35? Let us do it in a rough sketch. 35 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So 5 carries 2. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So we have 175 plus 12 times 3, 36. So by 60. So let's add 175 plus 36. What are we going to have? 175 plus 36. In the rough sketch, you can do it. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 1 plus 1 is what? Is 2. So we have, what do we have here? We have 211 divided by what? 60. Yeah, the next one we're going to do, we're done with addition. Now the next is say subtraction. And now subtracting. 1 take away whatever we have here. 1 take away the rest. So we're having 1 minus what? 211 divided by 60. So we're still going to use our LCM. Why? Because this is a fraction. You can make it be a fraction to solve it. So the LCM of 1 and 60 is still 60. So 1 will go in 60 how many times? Just 1 will go in 60 how many times? Is what? Is 60. 60 times 1 is 1. Is 60 times 1 is 60. 60 will go in 60 what? 1. 1 times 211 is what? 211. Now let us subtract. 60 take away 211. Like I think I just saying 211 take away 60. Let's do it like this, then we'll turn it over. Can 1 take away 0? 1. 1 minus 6. You cannot go take 1 from here. That's 11. 11 take away 6 is what? Is 5. So here remain 1. So answer is going to be minus 151 over 60. The answer will be what? 1 minus 100 and why did I put minus? Remember here is 60 minus 211. This means 60. Can 60 take away 211? No. So it's a kind of if you have 60, that's plus 60. If you have 60 and you have 60, but you are owing 211, what does it mean? If I take my 60 and pay, what am I still owing? So I'm owing what? 155. That's why I put minus. Means I'm still owing. Do you understand it? That's the logic of what how we got to a minus 151. Because you have 60, you are owing 211. Pay from what you have. Pay. What remains after paying is what? 151. So that means you are going to, what remains means what is left for you to pay. What are you still owing? You are still owing 151. That's why I have minus. Means you are still owing. I hope you understand. Okay, I know you do. So that's how we got it. So but we're not yet done. Why? Because this is kind of an improper fraction, and our question came with mixed fraction. So we need to go back to a mixed fraction. So how many 60 can we have in 151? How many 60? Let's check. 60 plus 60. 60 plus 60. What do we have? We have 120. Can you see that? What else? If I cannot add another 60, so if I add another 60 now, it's going to give me 180. So it's more than that. So we can have, so 60 will go in 151. How many times? 2 times. 1, 2, 2 times. So we have, put your minus 2 whole number. What remains? What remains? Let us check. What is left from 100? We got 120 when we added 260. 60 plus 60, 120. Now take away 120 from 151. 151 minus 120. What are we going to have? We have 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my answer is what? Minus 2 whole number 31 over 60. Why am I putting over 60? Because that's what we used to divide it. And this is where we come to the end. The end of this question. And this was a jam. I saw it in jam maths a few years back. And this is the answer. Minus 2 whole number 31 over 60. You're done. Like I said, I think you were following me, if you were actually following me step by step, you understand all the things. But peradventure, you are still confused on anyone. Let me know. Just drop that. You can snap that. You can snap that part and send it to me on my WhatsApp or on the comment section, any place. But let me see. Let it get to me. Don't forget. Let it get to me so that I can actually attend to you. Maths is simple. This is where we get our simple math. This is where math is being broken down. Tell your friends about Maths-Simplified class. Tell your friends about this class. Call your friends, your neighbor, everyone. Tell everybody, everywhere that math can be solved. That if there's a class called Maths-Simplified, a place where math is being broken down, a place where you can understand it. Everything, all the things that to me might be like all the difficulties, difficult area of math, it can be solved in this class, here in this class, with the help of God. God has been our source and will always be my source of strength, of intelligence, of everything. So stay tuned as we continue breaking maths to to the level you understand, for breaking it down to the simplest form for you, just for you. So call your friends, call your neighbors, invite everybody by sharing this video. Share it. Take this video, let it go viral. Take it everywhere. Tell them about the class. Tell them about the class and tell them to come. There's a place where they will understand math. Very simple. They will make math. There's a place where they will actually understand math very well. There's a place where they understand math very well. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed. If you're following me on TikTok, please, if you have seen the video on TikTok, follow me on my TikTok page. If you have seen this video on Facebook, follow me on Facebook. On Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Everywhere on my social media handles, just follow me. Tell your friends also to follow me. Tell your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell everyone to subscribe, because maths has been simplified for you. Thank you so much. I remain my humble self, Jennifer Casey Pula. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye.